Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find the App Store on your Samsung Smart TV. Very easy method. All you need to do is press the Smart Hub button on your remote or come here at the bottom left and hover over the settings cog. You'll see this option that says Apps. Click on Apps. Now here, what you can do is you can come to the top right and search for any app you want to install by selecting the magnifying glass icon. And honestly, you can just type the name of the application you want to install. For example, Skype, and then select Done. And here all you need to do is select Download. And once the download completes, you just want to go ahead and select Open to use your new app. Really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.